In primetime news this evening, we zoom in on outdated laws. Promoters in Westmoreland cry foul as police maintain no party stance. And 5 families, same problem, living in squalor.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what was your favorite Champs 2022 moment? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at TelevisionJam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.